In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone's access to Google Drive files. Fix today here. Let's begin. Have you ever realized that an old client, former coworker, or someone else still has access to your private Google Drive files long after a project ended? Leaving old permissions active can become a security risk, but thankfully Google Drive makes it easy to remove access in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then log into your Google Drive account. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the file or folder you want to secure from your main dashboard. Right-click the file or folder, hover your mouse over Share, then click Share from the menu that appears. A sharing window will open. Under the People with Access section, locate the name or email address of the person you want to remove. Now move to the far right side of their name and click the Access Level dropdown. This may currently say Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. From the drop-down menu, click Remove Access. That person will immediately lose permission to open the file or folder. Next, look at the General Access section near the bottom of the window. Make sure it is set to Restricted so people cannot reopen the file using an old shared link. Once you're done, click the blue Save button in the bottom right corner to apply your changes. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.